Hello and thank you for choosing Digital Dock for your intraoral camera needs. Today we will be installing the Iris X80 for use in Dentrix Ascend. First thing you're going to want to do is go to our homepage, which is digi-dock.com, and select Support. Under the Support tab, we're going to select the Iris X80 software compatibility and downloads. We're going to scroll down this page a little ways until we reach the downloads and select the Iris X80 Configuration Assistant. At this point, we're going to go ahead and make sure that our X80 is plugged into the computer and that the computer is recognizing the camera. So if we go to Device Manager and go to our cameras and look at our list of cameras, you should see the Iris X80 there. At this point, we're going to go ahead and launch the Configuration Assistant and select Ready. And we can adjust the video orientation to be the default view or a mirrored image. We can also adjust the sleep timer for which the camera is not being used for either 3, 5, or 10 minutes. And then we will select our dental imaging software and whether or not we'd like to install the Lume X80 caries detection, and then select Done. That will launch the setup for the Lume, at which point we will select I accept the agreement and Next, and then Install. When we select Finish, it's going to run the Lume in the bottom right corner of the system tray, as you can see here. At this point, we also want to verify that the acquisition agent is also running in your system tray. We can go ahead and log into Dentrix now and pull up a test patient. From here, we're going to select from the patient dropdown under Clinical and go to Imaging, and then the dropdown from Imaging to Acquire Images. From here, we will select 2D oral facial photo images and verify that the camera selected is the digital dock, and close the menu and proceed with the acquisition. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to access your camera, at which point you would select Allow. And now we can go ahead and test to make sure that the capture buttons are working on the camera. So a quick press and release will pause the image, and then a press and hold will save the image and return back to the live video feed. We can also test the Lume at this time by going back down to the icon in the system tray and double clicking on it, which will go to a black and white or grayscale, and double clicking again will go back to the full color mode. At this point, we can select Assign Images and place the images where we would like to inside of Dentrix. This concludes the installation process for the Iris X80 into Dentrix Ascend. Once again, thank you for choosing Digital Dock for your intraoral camera needs, and have a great day.